Jai Jagannath friends, welcome to Jobs World channel. I wish you are all safe at home and keep studying. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 23rd April 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Daporijo Bridge was recently completed by Border Roads Organization in which state? So this bridge is located in Arunachal Pradesh. So the new bridge built on the river Subansiri at Daporijo of Arunachal Pradesh has been named after the Ashok Chakra recipient Hangampur Dada. Some GK related to Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh capital is Itanagar. Its chief minister is Prema Khandu and governor is B.D. Mishra. Question number 2. Which state will provide free online medical consultation to sick people through E-Sanjeevani OPD? So this is done by Himachal Pradesh government. Some GK related to Himachal Pradesh government. Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh capital is Shimla. Jairam Thakur is its chief minister and governor is Bandaru Dattatreya. Question number 3. When is National Civil Service Day observed in India? So it is observed on 21st April every year. On 21st April 1947, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Home Minister, inaugurated the All India Services. So it is celebrated that's way. Question number 4. Nanoscience technology, Mohali has developed efficient low-cost electrolysis for rechargeable metal air battery by using fish gills. So in this way, it can help develop environmental friendly energy conversion devices. Question number 5. Lysenia Querese, who passed away recently, was the former Prime Minister of which country? So he was the former Prime Minister of Fiji. Some GK related to Fiji. Fiji capital is Suva and currency is Fijian dollar. And he was the former Prime Minister between 2000 to 2006. Question number 6. Who has been appointed as the Secretary to the President of India, Ramnath Kovind? So his name is Kapil Dev Tripathi. Question number 7. Which institute has developed a sensitive and low-cost sensor called bug sniffer to rapidly detect bacteria? So this is done by Agharkar Research Institute, which was present in Pune. Question number 8. Digital currency electronic payment or DC/AP is the digital currency of which country? So this is the digital currency of China. Some GK related to China. China capital is Beijing and currency is Chinese yuan. And Japan currency is yen and South Korea currency is WON. Question number 9. Reserve Bank of India has increased ways and means advances to how much lakh crore rupees for April-September? So this is 2 lakh crore rupees. Some GK related to Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India was formed on 1st April 1935. Its governor name is Shaktikant Das and its headquarters present in Mumbai. Question number 10. Union Minister for Culture has launched the national list of intangible cultural heritage for India in New Delhi. Who is the current culture minister? His name is Prahlad Singh Patel. Question number 10. Which state has stopped using the China-made rapid testing kits for coronavirus after they delivered inaccurate result? So this is done by Rajasthan. So some GK to Rajasthan. Rajasthan capital is Jaipur. Its chief minister name is Ashok Gehlot and governor name is Kalraj Mishra. And Rajasthan is the first state in the country to carry out rapid testing for COVID-19. Question number 12. Which city in United States is set to form a new response team to address the anti-Asian harassment amid COVID-19. So this is done in New York because many people believed that it is from Wuhan, China. So in America they are harassing the Asian people. So for this new response team has formed. Question number 13. The oil prices in which among the following countries has crashed below $0 mark for the very first time in the history? So it is in United States of America. Question 14. The government has approved the use of which food grain available in the surplus to be converted into the ethanol in order to manufacture alcohol based hand sanitizer? So it is rice. So Food Corporation of India to use surplus rice to make alcohol based sanitizer. Some GK related to Food Corporation of India. Its headquarters present in New Delhi. It was formed in 1965 and D.V. Prasad is its chairman and MD. Question number 15. Which state has launched the Chief Minister COVID-19 Yodha Kalyan Yojana? So it is launched in Madhya Pradesh. Some GK related to Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. Its CM name is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and governor is Lalarji Tandon. Question number 16. The president of which country will suspend all immigration into the country temporarily through an executive order in response to the coronavirus outbreak? So this step is taken by US president, whose name is Donald Trump. And recently US has cut the donation to the WHO, that is $400 to $500 million. Question number 17. Who has resigned from the Editors Guild of India and accused the organization of hypocrisy in the aftermath of Palghar incident? So recently, as you know, in Palghar, two to three sadhu are killed by mob lynching. So this is done by Arnab Goswami. Question number 18. Which of the following is launching a plasma boat to explore the possibility of treatment for COVID-19? So this is done by Microsoft. Some GK to Microsoft. Microsoft headquarters present in Washington DC and Satya Nadella is its CEO. Question number 19. N. Kamakodi has received the approval of RBI for the reappointment as MD and CEO of which bank? So he is going to be reappointed in City Union Bank as MD and CEO. City Union Bank headquarters present in Kumbhakonam, that is present in Tamil Nadu, and R. Mohan is its chairman. Question number 20. The Higher Education Department of which state has launched a new application and website called Get Set Go? So this is done by Karnataka Higher Education Department. Some GK to Karnataka. Karnataka capital is Bengaluru. B.S. Yedurappa is its chief minister and governor is Vajubhai Bhalla. Question number 21. When is Earth Day is celebrated worldwide? So it is celebrated on 22nd April. Question number 22. Who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of Huawei Telecommunication for India for its Indian operation? So it is David Lee. Some GK related to Huawei. Huawei headquarters present in Qingzhou, that is present in China, and Ren is its founder and CEO. Last question of the day, question number 23. Who is the author of the book titled How the Onion Got Its Layer? So, her name is Sudha Murthy. Recently, why it is news? Because this book will be out in audio format for the first time for children. So this is the current affairs of 23rd April 2020. So I will attach this PDF in the description box. Please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So thanks for your time. Be safe at home and keep studying. Thank you.